Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2013. Well, as I mentioned before, this is the 9th year in succession that we are looking out for the best voices in Goa. And this is the first audition of 2013. Well, we have quite a few contestants this evening. As you know, Kingfisher Voice of Goa is held in 2 categories, Konkani category as well as the English language category. You can sing in either of them. Well, we'll start off with the English category.
I can read your mind and I know your story. I see what you're going through. Yeah, it's an uphill climb and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you. Yeah.
Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what love is, having got a clue. Show me that wonders can be true.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
कोणाच्यान आतुरूंक जायना आसलोलो आमचो कितले सोबीत गोवा आमचें मेवचें ना दुसरें शार गोंयचें सोबीत कांय तें बोल्लेलें आनी सगळ्याचें तें मोगाचें
रुपणे तुझे नियाळटा पडोका शेतां हांवटाना यो मोगा यो मोगा यो मोगा रावता तुका सपना दिवन फोटोय नाका
मोगी म्हज्या असोच तूं पयस राव नाका मोगी म्हज्या असोच तूं पयस राव नाका सांजे वेळार मोग तुजो सांजे वेळार मोग तुजो असो लिपय नाका मोगी म्हज्या असोच तूं पयस राव नाका
In this world of confusion, discontent, disillusion, do you know what it takes to be free? Well, are you free from disaster? And you know what is after, then you'll know what it takes to be free.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Now I'm trying to get back before the cool down run out. I'll be giving it my bestest and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la.
So गोडवेंगेन दवरून तुका म्हणटा वेंगेतलो केन्नाच तुका सोडचो ना तूं एक दीस फुड्यान ना जाल्यार मोज्या दीस कसो साचो कळना जिवितांतलें दूख सगळें विसरता तूं मोज्या सांगाताक आसतना
संन्याच्या राती माडांच्या सावळेत सारयल्या सोबीत मांडार हातांत घालून हात नाचूया गावया घुमटाच्या मधुर तालार किरणा चंद्राची शीतळ घेवया माथ्यार फुलांच्या वांगडा धोल्या वाऱ्या लारार
Guess I could find somebody too, but I don't want no one but you. How could you live without regret? Am I that easy to forget? So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all. What is in my hand I'm feeling little peculiar. So I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a dip and I just feel like screaming top of my voice. What's going on? It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. Mudas korum kenna tumi goya yeong zaim tuya was logaun tum kamyon chona go bai pordesami astana ugda sujo yetana potta tuji amka sobna
काळजा पोसान डासाचो पावस पडटा तुवें ताय मनी जाली झाडां पेडां मडे बांको पावता हाय तुका सोदून भोवता झाडां माडांनी म्हज्या सांगाता
Macciaiungre paka paka Kalisada biton Fodoi de makakorin koshiko de taka Moga klaun kator Adi mogami kotali ami korun kantara Soglira dami natstali anti wazon gitara
Loilili putra Monanut suro Utkaporinto mo Am so gelovaro Intisani kena Sosaro sosoro
Puts on her makeup, brushes her long, long hair, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say, yeah, you look wonderful tonight.
Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, wide then open. gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash. You did.
Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. Then there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, all the things you played, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, wash it for as it touch your face.
Ooh la 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 leo, ooh la 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 yo, ooh la 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 la.
Jitlo la bongna maka पर तू न जल्मो ने तोलो
Kedi vecina muno negar sobe mazar tumi banlo korar sukani tu jivita chewate bienakan konang sukong nate atana galun gor tumi rauche dong raitle woche luza dele
उतरा मुझे भूला इतना या सांझ सायदाळा होच ने होता सुखाच्या झोपाळ्यात म्हाका तू ढोलयता हळूच येवन कोण म्हाका जागयता
वाऱ्या वांगडा सुकण्याची बिलां मळबाक दाखली ती कुपां कोलयांनी बोयेची रोपां लारा लाराची आयकती खातारां होली होली दर्याची उतरां
ooh la 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 yo ooh la 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 yo.
We'll start round 2 shortly. So I'm going to read out the names of the contestants who have qualified for round 2. The first contestants who has qualified for round 2, Kunal Fernandez, Joel Gomes, Deepak Dorado, Rajeshri Kamath, Sneha Pednekar, Ulfa Khwaja, Glennis Mendonça, Vaibhav Gaonkar, Swarupa Naik, Matthew Pereira,
Ooh la 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 yo ooh la 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 yo ooh la 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 yo ooh la 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 yo ooh la 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 yo ooh la 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 yo.
Another job to do to announce the name of the contestants who've made it to round 2 in the English category. Please put your hands together for Jennifer Fernandez, Brenson Dias, Kevin Pereira, Deepak Dorado, Justin Abraham, Vaibhav Gaonkar, Matthew Pereira, Mr. Quentin, Brenson Dias. Well, congratulations, Kevin. To call your name second time around.
Ooh la 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 yo 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 ooh la 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 la.
Te soglia gorcece, tosce ste faidiace, podi sanvata, tu c'ha civitace, l'antosce forac, te zora motvace, tori forza sortat, chi ne anzolona